Hello guys, welcome to your own channel. I hope you are well. COD Warzone not compatible with this device. See full list of compatible devices. Are you also facing a problem while installing this COD Warzone in your iOS devices? It will show you like this type of problem on the App Store application. Right now I am using iPhone 10 and you will see guys, whenever I will search this game Call of Duty Warzone mobile, and you will see guys, here is not showing any get button and it is already great. So I will show you guys what is this thing and why this type of things is showing on the App Store while installing this game. So you have to watch this video guys till the end. I will tell you single thing that what is this and how you can fix this problem on your iOS and iPad devices. So let's start without any further delay. Before starting guys, please make sure you have to subscribe our channel. If you are also watching my videos at first time, then please guys you have to subscribe, because this channel is dedicated only iPhone related videos. Hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload any video, you will get immediately the notifications of my videos. So now I will tell you that what is this thing. Actually guys, not compatible with these devices. So if you will guys see the size of this game, like 508 MB, and guys most important thing, that is compatibility. Yes guys, you will see require iOS 15 or later and device with the A12 bionic chip or later. So you will see that these old devices which this game will be run. Okay, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 10R, iPhone 11 Pro, Pro Max, 12 series, all 14 series, all devices has available here. But guys, we will see right now it is showing like require iOS 15. It means guys we can download this on iOS 15 like iPhone 8, 7 and 6s. But guys wait, whenever you will go and whenever you will see like it is showing like iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, it means guys it is not working for iPhone 10, 8 and 7, because guys this require like, that's why guys whenever I will download, just hold on guys, let me explain like how you can fix. So you will see it is also showing like see full compatibility list. So you will see, so these all details guys, only this game will be run. But don't worry guys, don't need to sad, because now I will show you how you can fix. Basically guys, you can shift your iPhone to the above devices, but guys maybe in the next update it will be soon released for all iPhones. I mean guys, right now maybe this is a beta test, and whenever it will officially release for all countries, then maybe guys it will work for all iPhones. So you have to guys wait. Let me show you guys. You can see it is these all details only working this game. But don't worry guys, don't need to sad, because maybe this is currently running on like iOS 16. So I think guys in the next update this game will work for all iPhones, because the developer only these all iPhones. So soon guys we will get a next update, and in the next update guys this game will definitely run on all iPhones. So right now guys we can't download this because these all details only compatible. But don't worry guys, in the next update this will game definitely run on for all iPhones. So keep subscribe this channel. I will soon upload next video whenever our next update will come in this game. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video guys. Thank you.